Hey guys, it's Amar back with another video, and today I'm going to create the Zayn Malik Night Changes hairstyle, which is one of his iconic looks. So Zayn is a true hair and fashion icon, and I've really looked forward to making this video because I've always been such a big fan of his fashion and his music, and not to mention the fact that I also got to meet him over a year ago in London when he released Room Under the Stairs. So it's really cool to be able to get an opportunity to do one of his hairstyles today. So first I'm going to tell you why this hairstyle works. This hairstyle is clean, soft and effortless. It's not stiff, it's not overstyled, and that's what makes it the ideal hairstyle. It also does suit most face shapes, and it's not something that just looks good on camera but in real life also. I'd say with this hairstyle, medium to long hair would be ideal. I'd say anywhere between 6 to 8 inches on top and 4 to 6 inches on the sides. Whilst straight hair works, I think wavy hair would be better here, especially towards the back. You can see that Zayn's hair does get wavier as it gets longer. Let's get into the tutorial. So to get this look, I have purchased some high-end products. In terms of pre-styling, I'm going for Evo McGyver, and in terms of finishing, I'm going to be using the Kevin Murphy Rough Rider. Now I have to say these products are more expensive than your typical products. They are between 20 to 30 pounds each. If you are wanting to do this hairstyle with more budget friendly products, you can use as your pre-styler the Wella Shockwaves Volume Mousse. This is also another product that I use. It's really good for building in that foundation and shape in your hair. And as a finishing product, you can use the level 3 spider wax. This is a fantastic product for all hair types. So firstly guys, you just want to start off with damp hair. So in terms of pre-styling, I am going to use a mousse. This is perfect for this hairstyle because it adds natural volume and light hold without making the hair stiff. As you can see, I'm applying it evenly through the hair using my hands to work it in. And please make sure guys, when you are using mousse, you use the correct amount. So ideally you want to go for a golf ball sized. You don't want to use too much. Start with a golf ball size. If you need a little bit more, then go for it. Now for the blow drying application, you want to use medium heat and less power. And you absolutely need to make sure that you're using your hands and not to brush. So just start off by working the product in the hair. Push the hair loosely into shape and let it move naturally. Avoid using a brush as much as possible. Brushing this style will make it too neat and kill the texture. We can use a brush or a comb towards the end just to create the parting, but for right now guys, just keep using your hands. And just make sure guys, when you are working the product into your hair, that you're using those tips that I've shown you in terms of building extra volume. So for example, tilting down and drying your hair up, or tilting your head backwards whilst drying your hair, just to build that volume and build some texture in there. So keep using your hands and really work that shape, work that texture into the hair. One of the reasons why I really like this mousse guys is because it takes some time for the hair to dry. That's perfect because we want to spend as much time as possible creating the shape. So once the hair is dry, I'm creating a soft natural side part. Nothing sharp, nothing forced. This look is all about flow and movement, not perfection. Once I've built that foundation and shape, I'm just going to go ahead and use a small amount of Kevin Murphy Rough Rider. Just a little bit though guys, because what we don't want to be doing is weighing the hair down, especially if you have fine hair like myself. So a little bit goes a long way. Rub it fully into your hands and apply it lightly, focusing on texture and separation, not hold. Again, hands only. This is what gives the hairstyle that effortless Zayn feel. And there you have it guys, that's the final result. As you can see, soft, textured, natural, the Zayn Malik Night Changes hairstyle. When you combine this hairstyle with a shirt and a smart overcoat, you can see that it really helps to create a timeless yet classy outfit, and that's something I feel makes the hairstyle stand out. Just to sum it up guys, in terms of getting this hairstyle, you want light products, you want to use your hands as much as possible in terms of pre-styling and post-styling, and you also want to make sure that you've created a good solid part. And there you have it guys, that's the Zayn Malik Night Changes hairstyle look. I have always been a fan of this hairstyle, and I've literally been growing my hair out for months and months just to try and go for an inspired look today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Do leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see any other hairstyles. More hair and fashion content coming this year. And until next time, take care.